Imagine the soft whisper of palm trees, the warm embrace of the tropical sun, and the intoxicating aroma of exploration filling the air. You're about to turn your ideal retirement into a reality. You're not simply daydreaming. Many retirees have dreamed of their ideal paradise, a destination with golden sands and crystal clear waters, where life is an adventure every day, and where your hard-earned funds go farther than you could have ever dreamed. We're going to spill the beans on the well-kept secret that has the power to transform your retirement fantasies into an amazing trip around the sun, sea, and sizable savings. We'll look at how you can retire to this special place by 2030 in this video. We'll offer a comprehensive study of Tesla stock, emphasizing its impressive innovation, which points to an undervalued stock with room to increase tenfold in the upcoming years. We'll also reveal the identity of this unique nation and discuss its affordability, tax advantages for Tesla investors over the long run, remarkable standard of living, rich cultural heritage, and thriving entertainment scene. Come along on our exploration as we learn how owning a Tesla by itself can be your golden ticket to retiring wealthy in this tropical paradise by 2030. You must be eager, so let's get going. Make sure you press the like button first, though. For more, remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Now that we have covered that ground, let's start the video. Let's start by discussing Tesla's incredible history of innovation and its capacity for success in the face of adversity. Under Elon Musk's inspiring direction, Tesla has continuously pushed the limits of what is feasible in the automotive sector. When faced with hardship, Tesla never gave up. They confronted production constraints head-on and eventually disproved the opinions of their detractors. Modern electric vehicles, cutting-edge battery technology, and even solar solutions are all part of Tesla's product line. They stand out in the industry thanks to these developments. Utilizing cutting-edge technology such as CRM, customer relationship management, analytics, software, and ERP enterprise resource planning is another important factor in Tesla's success. Tesla has streamlined operations, maximized production, and provided great customer experiences thanks to the combination of ERP and CRM analytics tools. Their success can be attributed in large part to this technology-oriented strategy. Tesla's potential for success is further supported by its dedication to innovative projects and sustainable energy. Leading the charge in the sustainable energy revolution is Tesla. They've hastened the adoption of electric cars throughout the world, lowering carbon emissions and fostering a more environmentally friendly future. Tesla's bold initiatives, like SpaceX and the building of gigafactories across the globe, show their steadfast dedication to inventing groundbreaking solutions for a better future. Tesla is an attractive investment opportunity because of its remarkable journey, which includes overcoming obstacles, pursuing innovation, relentlessly integrating cutting-edge technology, and being committed to sustainable energy and groundbreaking projects. Despite the volatility of the stock market, it is important to recognize that Tesla has the ability to grow by 10 times in the future. Experts also predict that the price of Tesla's stock will rise in light of these impending developments. Let's now examine the idea of S-curves and the development of technology. Consider a graph that shows how a technology has developed throughout time. This graph usually takes the form of an S, with modest initial progress followed by fast acceleration and ultimately leveling off. These S-curves show the adoption and innovation phases. Let's now examine how well Tesla has navigated these curves. Elon Musk's Tesla has demonstrated mastery in navigating S-curves across multiple technologies. Early on in the development of battery technology, Tesla saw the potential in the electric vehicle market and rode the S-curve to create groundbreaking EVs. With Tesla's autopilot and AI capabilities leading the autonomous driving S-curve, their cars become increasingly sophisticated and secure over time. Let's now talk about how Tesla's ability to ride these S-curves has increased the size of its addressable market overall. Tesla didn't stop there, even though their first high-end vehicles set the precedent. They made electric vehicles more accessible to a wider variety of customers by introducing more reasonably priced variants. A major contributing aspect to Tesla's market expansion has been price reductions. Tesla has been able to lower prices without sacrificing quality thanks to its unwavering focus on cost reduction, economies of scale, and improvements in production techniques. Because of this, Tesla has considerably expanded its market share and lowered the cost of electric automobiles for the general public. Tesla's total addressable market has grown as a result of its ability to ride technology S-curves and dedication to lowering the cost of electric automobiles. They have not only transformed the car business, but they have also established a standard for how innovation may propel market expansion. Examining Tesla's remarkable development and market penetration, we can't help but be excited about the possible profits. Even while the precise numbers are unknown, Tesla's growth trajectory indicates that the 100 shares may increase in value. This may open the door to a pleasant retirement. As we previously highlighted, according to some experts, you might be able to fund your retirement in that particular nation if you hold 100 shares of Tesla stock. Let's now explore this future estimate and see how much those 100 shares might be valued in 2030. As we move forward, it's critical to recognize the difficulties in predicting with accuracy. However, it makes sense to expect sizable returns on investment by 2030 given Tesla's impressive growth and market expansion. According to analysts, Tesla will continue to develop at an exponential rate due to the influence of renewable energy and sustainable transportation, as well as new initiatives in an increasing market. Although the precise value of 100 shares in 2030 will rely on a number of things, including the state of the market and Tesla's performance, significant rise is not out of the question. Given their track record of upending industries and breaking new ground, Tesla is well positioned for sustained success and rapid expansion, which may pave the way for a comfortable retirement in that unique nation we just described. Speaking of projections, Cathie Wood led ARK Invest, a well-known investment management company, has garnered notice for their bull case scenario of $2,500 for Tesla's stock price by 2027. Let's examine their prediction and the underlying variables in more detail. Based on a careful examination of Tesla's development potential and the factors anticipated to propel the company's performance in the upcoming years, ARK Invest has projected the company's performance. They draw attention to Tesla's anticipated growth and profitability, predicting that it would increase as the business increases production, gains market share, and takes advantage of economies of scale. Price to earnings ratios and rates of revenue growth are other factors considered by ARK Invest. As the market for electric vehicles expands and Tesla's position grows, they expect significant revenue growth. The predicted PE ratios demonstrate possible investor optimism by demonstrating market confidence in Tesla's prospects. Tesla has established a significant position in emerging areas such as electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and renewable energy, which is acknowledged by ARK Invest. They think that due to Tesla's leadership and ongoing technological developments, the company will maintain its strong position and see notable increases in sales and market share. Although ARK Invest's optimistic prediction is encouraging, it's critical to recognize dissenting views. Critics point out possible difficulties that might affect Tesla's performance in the future, including as heightened competition, regulatory obstacles, and market volatility. A balanced viewpoint is crucial to take into account while assessing investing prospects. As with any investment, it's critical to properly research your options and consider all available options. Even while ARK Invest's analysis is informative, keep in mind that it's only one viewpoint among many. Thus, when considering ARK Invest's bullish prediction that Tesla's stock would reach $2,500 by 2027, it makes sense to maintain equilibrium. Retirement typically entails putting aside a sizable sum of money, frequently in the millions, especially in the US. Let's examine these estimates of retirement costs now and see how they relate to Tesla stock. Experts utilize a variety of methods to estimate retirement costs, including for factors such as projected spending, inflation, and desired longevity of retirement savings. These models help us estimate the amount of money required to support a comfortable retirement. Regarding these projections, let us discuss their appearance in various locations. Remember that these figures are approximations and may vary depending on your circumstances and the status of the market. To put it into perspective, $250,000 would be earned if you owned 100 shares of Tesla stock at a price of $25,000. Even while it seems like a lot of money, it only represents roughly 10% of what is normally advised for retirement savings in the United States. Recall that earning money from Tesla stock isn't the only factor in securing a comfortable retirement. Even though Tesla can yield significant profits, it's important to consider retirement planning holistically. To guarantee your future financial stability, take into account all of your outgoings and savings objectives. So what kind of retirement would you like to have? Perhaps you might consider visiting the Philippines. In addition to its breathtaking beaches and gracious people, this lovely archipelago in Southeast Asia is well known for its reasonably priced living. So grab your digital travel document and let's get exploring. Now, in comparison to the US, you'll discover that living expenses in the Philippines are fairly reasonable. Living in the Philippines is almost 70% less expensive than in the US. Claims Numbeo, you can now exhale with relief on behalf of your pocketbook. To put it another way, if your monthly expenses in the Philippines are estimated to be around 10,000 pesos or $200, and you also include in another $200 for additional expenses, that works out to be an average of about $400. You can live comfortably on this budget, and it also gives you access to interesting opportunities. You can rent a comfortable apartment, enjoy delectable meals at neighborhood restaurants, and engage in outdoor pursuits like swimming, hiking, and sightseeing. Naturally, keep in mind that your lifestyle and spending habits will determine your actual expenses. You can live even more simply if you're willing to adopt a more frugal lifestyle, but you may want to budget a little bit extra if you'd rather live in a little more luxury. Let's now examine some projected monthly costs in the Philippines to further dissect it. Usually, rent is between $100 and $300, while utilities cost between $50 and $100. Food should not be overlooked. It costs between $100 and $200. And $200. The budget for transportation is between $50 to $100, and the budget for entertainment is also roughly $50 to $100. That is significantly more than $400 and is roughly $350 to $700. However, I can guarantee that you will be able to enjoy the best days of your life in this nation already. If you own 100 Tesla shares by 2030 and the price of the stock is $2,500, you will have about $250,000 when you retire. Your $250,000 Tesla retirement will enable you to live 29.8 years in the Philippines for about $700 a month, or $8,400 a month, or $8,400 a year. That's an incredible deal for living in paradise. Although these are only rough approximations and your real spending may differ, they should provide you with a helpful indication of how much you'll need for a comfortable existence in the Philippines. Thus, the Philippines is an exciting and reasonably priced chance for an amazing life journey, whether your dreams include seeing unspoiled beaches, tasting regional cuisine, or just lounging about and taking in the welcoming Filipino atmosphere. That's all there is to it, people. Imagine yourself in a tropical paradise with swaying palm trees, a warm hug from the sun, and exciting adventures every day. Keep in mind that image, as it will soon be within your reach for all of you. We have revealed the magic formula to enhancing the brightness of your retirement aspirations, and it all begins with examining Tesla's prospective expansion. We do have a few questions for you, though, before we leave. With the money you earn from Tesla, would you like to retire to the Philippines? You probably do. If not, however, where would you like to retire and why? What would be your main consideration when deciding where to retire if you were to retire today? Please leave your responses in the comments section below. We look forward to hearing your ideas and perspectives. Of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News if you love this video and would like to see more amazing stuff. We appreciate you coming to visit us today, and we hope to see you in the next videos.